નમસ્કાર, હું યશ મોદી નમો ગુજરાત ઉપર સ્વાગત કરું છું આપનું. નમો ગુજરાતની ટીમ આજે આવી પહોંચી છે ગાંધીનગરમાં ગિફ્ટ સિટીમાં, જ્યાં ગુજરાતના માનનીય મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી નરેન્દ્ર મોદી ગિફ્ટ વન ટાવરનું ઇનોગ્રેશન કરશે. આ ટાવર 29 માળ ઊંચું છે અને શ્રી નરેન્દ્ર મોદી સૌથી પહેલાં અહીંયા રિબિન કાપી અને ટાવરનું ઉદ્ઘાટન કરશે અને ત્યારબાદ તે ટાવરના નિરીક્ષણ કર્યા બાદ અહીંયા આવશે અને અહીંયા તે પોતાની સ્પીચ આપશે. વધુ માટે જોતા રહો નમો ગુજરાત. નમો ગુજરાત પર તમે આમનું લાઈવ પ્રસારણ જોઈ રહ્યા છો. કેમેરામેન જય સાથે યશ મોદી. One second, one second. तुम वो ले लो, ठीक है ना? हाँ. उठा लो.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the inaugural ceremony of Gift One by our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi. We would request all our guests and dignitaries to kindly settle down. We'll be beginning with the ceremony in just a while. नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है अनावरण समारोह में गिफ्ट वन की. कुछ ही देर में आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी अनावरण करेंगे गिफ्ट वन का. आप सभी से अनुरोध है अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण कर लें और कुछ ही समय में आज के कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं. धन्यवाद.
निकाल लो नहीं यार, निकाल हाँ इसकी मस्त बन जाए, निकाल लो, हो जाएगा नहीं, निकाल लो निकाल लो. मैं छोड़ो थोड़ा इस तरफ आप उसको ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. हाँ मेरा कैमरा लाइव था. हाँ वही वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ. हाँ बस ऐसे घूम जाना है. रेस पे घुमाना है ना, थोड़े से नहीं घुमाने का, अब तो पूरा दिखाने का. यहाँ से उधर चला गया ना, बना ना कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आप मास्टर दिक्कत क्या है. एमने तो
वहाँ जाके बना लो।
समझ रहा है तू?
आप वहाँ से
अरे यहाँ से
अलाउ
निकल के वहाँ पर यहाँ पे खड़ा रहे ना तू। हाँ
रुके जाना भाई, तुम्हारा वो रोल जा रहा है क्या?
ऐसे ही करना इस बार अभी ट्रेनिंग लास्ट में, ये लास्ट टाइम ऐसे कर लेंगे।
अभी जब तक नहीं हो रहा तब स्कैनिंग करना, जब वहाँ एक तक वहाँ रह गया, ठीक है ना?
तो फिर कैमरे के साथ उधर मूव हो जाना, इधर मत आना।
एक तो अब बोल लेंगे, ठीक है ना? अब अमत बोल लेंगे।
अरे પછી છે ને બાપુ પેલા શોટ આવે ને ઓપનિંગ કરતા એટલે પછી આમ કરી દઈશું. ये सचिन भाई भी कर दो.
અરે બીપી ને એલઈડી ઉપરથી શોટ લઈ લે પાડ.
ચાલુ જ છે ને.
લઈ તો લો યાર.
અરે એલઈડી બાર બતા.
મારા જ છે જલ્દી કરો.
સ્ટેડી થાય એટલે જોજે હો. એ ઝૂક જાવે. ભાઈ ભાઈ એક્સપોઝર જોજે.
ડે લાઇટ કર દે ને, ડે લાઇટ.
ડે લાઇટ કરી દે.
હા
સિમ્બોલ ચેરો આવે બધું.
એ ત્યાંનું છે એલઈડી.
એલઈડી માં જોજે
કેમેરામેન છે
Well, once again, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the inaugural ceremony of Gift One. Here we see our Honorable Chief Minister right here at Gift City, Gift One, and this historic moment we all are witnessing for the first time in Gujarat, the launch, the inauguration, the unveiling of the tallest tower in Gujarat. And it happens now. Can we have a huge round of applause as we see our Honorable Chief Minister cutting the ribbon and entering this historic, I should say, monument, which will be written in golden letters in the history of Gujarat as Gujarat gives Gift One to India, to the world. We have the live coverage, live feed from the Gift One building, Gift One premises. Here we see the Chief Minister cutting the ribbon, and here it is. Come on everyone, we should have a bigger and a huger round of applause. Everyone! A befitting unveiling and befitting launch of Gift One by none other than the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi ji. He enters the premises of Gift One and about to proceed towards the experience zone where he would go through and experience how business would take place in Gift One, how technologically advanced is Gift One, and how it will affect the way we work, the way business happens in Gujarat, in India. Once again, we extend a welcome to each one of you to the Gift City, a global financial hub in making, a project promoted by Government of Gujarat through GUDC and ILNFS. On behalf of Gift City, we would like to welcome the dignitaries from CREDAI, Fire and Security Association of India, the Indian Institute of Architects, Institute of Indian interior designers, Ahmedabad Builders Association, Gandhinagar Builders Association, Credai Vadodara, Credai Surat, and the eminent speakers of Vibrant Future Cities Conclave to the function. Can we have a huge round of applause to welcome each one of the dignitaries, each one of the guests here at the unveiling ceremony of Gift One. A short while, the CM would be proceeding to floor number 27. And why he continues to do so, let's have a look at how Gift City has been shaping in past few years. Let's have a look at this special AV about Gift City.
Surging, dynamic, developing at a pace that leads the world. India is roaring, and the world is sitting up and taking notice. And most importantly, India's growing financial muscle that is powering it all ahead. By 2020, financial and allied services business in the country could multiply tenfold, accelerating India's growth to a developed economy. Much of this financial muscle is handled by the major cities of India, especially the premier financial city of Mumbai. Yet there is a need for more infrastructure dedicated to finance. Most Indian cities lag significantly behind the top global financial hubs in several aspects. A supply-need gap that has only grown more distinct over the years. And now, that gap is about to be bridged. Discover a vision of the future being set in concrete. Discover Gujarat International Finance Tech City. Built on a perfection of purpose, GIFT is to be a bridge to the global financial services world, to augment the capacities of Mumbai, enhancing the Indian economy, and integrating it further with the world. A large range of businesses are planned for the financial services landscape of the city. GIFT will stimulate commerce, business, and trade on a scale seldom seen before. The city will stand as tall as its peers in the world, if not taller, making it one of the largest of its kind globally. Located just off the National Highway 8 and 12 kilometers away from the international airport, GIFT rises majestically on the banks of the meandering Sabarmati River in Gujarat. A skyline set off by the sparkling waterfront and the centerpiece of a stunning island tower, diamond faceted, pencil thin, a signature for GIFT. A centerpiece project as conceived and led by one of India's most distinguished public-private partnerships. The Government of Gujarat and Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Services Limited, IL&FS, India's premier institution and a pioneer in developing infrastructure projects in public-private partnership. GIFT will now be the crowning jewel in the achievements of the Government of Gujarat to fill a gap not only for the state, but also for the nation. Gujarat has several advantages and achievements that have contributed to making it the most developed and prosperous state in India, and also an attractive destination for financial services. And GIFT will benefit from all these factors. GIFT would be designed to meet your needs for regulatory and business framework, highly developed infrastructure, strategic geographic location, and a good quality of life. GIFT will be a high-tech finance hub with intelligent network and interactive broadband services for networked economic and social interaction in a converged era. The city will provide highly secure, future-proof, scalable, next-generation intelligent network infrastructure to meet the business requirements of the future. The city will be designed to be energy conservative through a series of measures, as well as supply uninterrupted and stable power. In the middle of sophisticated technology, GIFT breathes and lives. The city has been designed with a balanced residential, commercial, and support plan. Every neighborhood will be developed on a walk-to-work basis. Efficient transport will have segregated pedestrian, rail, and motor traffic ways. With equal emphasis on lifestyle, the quality of life will be second to none. With more than 60% ground cover kept for open and green spaces, GIFT will be one of the most green cities of its kind. Several features will contribute to make it an eco-friendly city. A city also requires the right people. GIFT will attract a flow of national and international professionals, supplemented by a talent training and development program, ensuring that business never runs out of its most valuable resource, people. All our partners in progress represent leaders in their fields. Anchor investors will gain the benefits of long lead planning and viable cost structures. You now have the opportunity of being established in one of the world's premier financial destinations. Make a smart business decision by being a part of GIFT today.
Well, that's GIFT, where wealth creates wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, once people have witnessed GIFT City, so take things to another level. May I request all the guests, all the dignitaries who are standing towards the entrance to kindly take seat. I would request you to kindly take seat. The entrance is being blocked. Gentlemen, ladies, everywhere who's standing near the entrance, I would request you to kindly take seat, as the entrance is being blocked. Well, we see that there is a vision which created GIFT, which created GIFT City. But what took, how much time did it take, and how it shaped into what it is today? Let's have a look at the making of GIFT City, making of the gift that we're about to present to the world, to India. Here it is. Well, we are showing you a picture starting 8th May 2012. Although the project began in 2007, but here we are witnessing last few months of progress that GIFT did. That's the first pictures from May 2012. You can easily spot the difference as to what you see today and what it was in May. You can easily gauge how fast and how rapidly the progress construction has taken place at the GIFT City. The next pictures coming in are from the month of June and August. are pictures from the month of October. You see that the exteriors of Gift City, Gift 1 is being done up, and at the same time, the interiors are being done up inside Gift 1. While Gift City is well connected by road and in coming future by rail and by other means of local bus transport.
हाँ बोल अब क्या हो गया हाँ
These are pictures coming in from the month of December. As you can see, it's almost nearing completion. Mostly the exteriors are done, and we are barely a few days away from the day it is today. and the latest picture of Gift One would be in your mind forever. As it looks today, we're about to witness after the CM inaugurated the Gift One. Each one of you would be getting a chance to actually visit Gift One and experience what we will present to India. It is one of the most important projects for India and Indian economy. The way Uttarayan changes, the way wind blows, the position of sun and moon in the atmosphere and environment. Similarly, Gift City will transform the Indian economy and bring India on the map of global finance scenario. Let's have a look at the important aspects of this huge project, Gift City. Let's cover the infrastructure, business, and promoters aspect of Gift City. Here it is.
અને પેલા 3G વાળા શું કરવાનું રાતે
Gujarat International Finance Tech City, a global financial hub in making.
ક્વેશ્ચન ને સર
We're about to go through the important aspects. How will it impact the Indian economy? How will it change the way we do business? How will it help us to get better and be more efficient in the way we work? Those are some statistics coming up. Also giving us extra details on why did we choose Gujarat or why Gujarat chose Gift One. And if we look at the proposition, it is and will be a very valuable proposition for all the promoters, partners, and associates in coming future. Because of the strategical location, because of the services and facilities that Gift City will provide to the associates and business partners, and because of the infrastructure that it will get into India. Infrastructure, not only one of its kind and first time in India, but also first time in the world. Gift City makes sure to maintain the harmony of business with residential peace and leisure. Where majority of business parks or business places cut you off from the social network, Gift City will make sure that we all are well connected and save us more time and make us more efficient for our business. Every aspect has been looked into, be it physical, be it financial, economical, or emotional. It's well connected through the highway from Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Airport is not too far, and the internal transport system is also something to look out for. The parking, the placement of the transport areas is very strategically located. When we build a structure, lot goes into thinking on waste management and water management. Here, water management has been taken care of where not even a drop would be wasted. Even the grey water is to be efficiently used, and for the first time in India, there is an automated solid waste management system here. The force that drives GIFT City would be ICT, which is information, communication, and technology. Now let's have a look at the social infrastructure. Honorable CM is witnessing and experiencing how Gift One looks from inside, and he's gone to the top floor of Gift One. We have just peeped into the past. We've seen how this came into making. We saw the present as the Gift One was inaugurated. And now let's see how Gift City and Gift One will impact the economy, the future, and the business style of India and the world. Let's have a look at the future of Gift City, what it has in store for Gujarat, India, and the world. Just a naming on the future of Gift City.
The financial service sector is fast emerging as the growth engine with world-class technology, seamless connectivity, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and the finest talent pool. Analysts forecast the sector is poised to contribute up to 10 to 11 million jobs by 2020 in India. It is against this conducive backdrop that GIFT, the Gujarat International Finance Tech City, a Government of Gujarat project, is being implemented by GIFT CL, a joint venture of GEDC and Island FS. Gujarat, a preferred investment destination due to its political stability, strong leadership, pro-business policies, and vast talent pool. What's more, its intrinsic entrepreneurial spirit, backed by reliable resources and strong infrastructure, only adds to the advantage factor. The geostrategic positioning of GIFT will enable operators to service geographically extreme financial markets by bridging far-flung time zones. Accentuating the advantage factors, GIFT is located between Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad, and also connected to the fastest growing Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor planned along the NH8. GIFT also provides easy access to the Ahmedabad International Airport via a dedicated road link. Additionally, Metro and BRTS assures access to and fro from all sides. The bird's eye view reveals the futuristic design that GIFT is. A truly international and high-tech city spread over 886 acres of land by the riverside, the master plan is divided into two zones. A notified multiple services special economic zone with processing and non-processing areas, and the remaining area as domestic tariff area, the DTA. Urban form of the city is guided by superior infrastructure, futuristic buildings, immaculate green spaces, large water body, a well-connected transport network, wide sidewalks lined by beautiful majestic trees, and a fine balance between recreational and residential spaces. In this boundaryless world, at GIFT, the building blocks are planned sans boundary walls. The most picturesque public space is the Samruddhi Sarovar, a recreation lifeline of GIFT connected to Tapas Udyan, the green lung of the city by a 60-meter wide pedestrian green boulevard. Tapas Udyan is flanked by an institutional zone that will offer world-class education and healthcare. Also, it has a fine executive golf course with clubbing facilities. GIFT boasts of one of the largest exhibition centers of India. The city will stand tall amongst its peers, recreating a dazzling skyline silhouetted against a river with Diamond Tower as its centerpiece, a 410-meter tall structure that speaks of a truly global image. Sizable foreground to the buildings and podiums will scale down the otherwise tall buildings. Facade guidelines are mandated for better orientation and natural light and ventilation. The city is being developed on smart, user-friendly, safe, sustainable infrastructure principles. Multi-level car parks, metro stations, public transport hubs, and elevated walkways make GIFT a pedestrian-friendly and safe city. GIFT is an eco-friendly city. It provides for 24/7 portable water supply, zero discharge aimed by reuse of wastewater, and automated waste collection system. GIFT also confirms 24/7 highly reliable uninterrupted power supply system. Cooling within GIFT is by most energy efficient district cooling system. A dedicated utility service corridor in the form of a large underground tunnel shall monitor, manage and facilitate the utility network of the entire city. Being a high-rise business district, state-of-the-art fire detection, firefighting and evacuation system is planned for GIFT. Cutting-edge ICT, smart and intelligent building and infrastructure and city command control center truly make GIFT a futuristic city. Institutional framework led by GIFT UDA will oversee the urban development and facilitate single window clearance system. GIFT CL aims to plan, develop, operate and maintain the international finance tech city through several infrastructure-led subsidiary companies. These companies will provide municipal services, advanced technology support and focused sector-specific services to GIFT City. GIFT, a truly global financial hub where wealth creates wealth.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the actual design which would come in life. It is not a representation, it is not animation. This is how actually your gift city would look like, your gift one looks like. In a very short while, we'll be joined by the man himself, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, for addressing you all and for formally gifting India and the world from Gujarat Gift One. Well, we all know there are a lot of things which will be happening and which will be in Gift City and Gift One for the first time. A lot of information technology, a lot of communication technology. Everyone's wondering how well and how will the business happen in Gift City. Let's have a look at how beautifully your business will happen from Gift City. An AV on that. the video on Life in Gift. Well, GIFT brings to you smart ICT. ICT being information, communication, and technology. Technology, India hasn't seen, technology, world hasn't seen, and from today, the world would witness GIFT One. As we present this gift to the world, GIFT One. In a very short while, we'll be joined by the members of the cabinet and Honorable Chief Minister for the formal address and the formal evening today.
પછી હજુ વાર છે એ તો એ શું રેકોર્ડ કરશે તમને આપશે પેલો હેડો કેમેરો પકડ પેલા બિપિન તારામાં કેસેટ નાખી દે અમે લઈ લઈએ પૈસા ના લઈ એટલે બધાનું કામ થઈએ એક સાથે એટલે સાહેબ આવે ત્યાં સુધી હે બિપિનને કેસેટ આલ દઉં એટલે તારો તમારું નામ લખીએ છીએ અમે નહીં લખાવું ના ના સોરજાજી નામની જરૂર એક દિવસની પગાર કન્યા કેળવણી ફાળો આપવાનો કોઈ વાત નહીં 35 કેમેરામેન નામ લખાવાના છે એમાં સાઈન થાય છે 35 કેમેરા એક દિવસનો પગાર હે
And in a very short while will be the time where we get to meet the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji. He's on his way, walking till here from Gift One. He's just witnessed, and I'm sure he would share his experience in Gift One, in Gift City. to kindly welcome with a huge round of applause Srimati Anandiben Patel, Honorable Minister for Urban Development and Urban Housing, Revenue, Land Reforms, Rehabilitation and Reconstruction, Roads and Buildings, Capital Project and Drought Relief. And she is joined by Shri Nitin Bhai Patel, Honorable Minister for Finance, Health, Medical Education, Family Welfare and Transport. And in a short while, we'll be joined by the Chief Minister of Gujarat, who has just inaugurated and presented to the world Gift One, the tallest tower in Gujarat, which will henceforth be at the helm of all innovation, all new changes in the world of economics in India. Ladies and gentlemen, may we request you all to kindly rise from your seat and welcome Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi ji, as he just inaugurated and presented to the world Gift One from Gift City. Come on, let's have a huge round of applause, everyone. We request to join on stage Shri A.K. Jyoti, Chief Secretary, Government of Gujarat, Shri Sudhir Mankar, Chairman, GIFT, Shri I.P. Gautam, Principal Secretary, Urban Development and Urban Housing, Shri Hari Shankaran, Vice Chairman and MD, IL&FS. And now, may I request to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Jha, Director GIFT, to present a book of knowledge and a rose bud to welcome the Chief Minister. May I request Director GIFT, Mr. Jha, to kindly welcome Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji.
रिवर्स करो ना कोई
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence and thank you for supporting such vision so that we can witness history. History, as we all know, we read about history which has happened in past, but we all have been lucky enough to experience and live the history itself by the launch of GIFT One. May I now call on podium Shri Sudhir Mankar, Chairman, GIFT, to give the welcome address. Shri Sudhir Mankar has been the chairman from the beginning of this project and has been extremely instrumental in getting this project where it is today. Please put up a huge round of applause and welcome Shri Sudhir Mankar, Chairman GIFT.
Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi, who gave us the dream and the vision of GIFT. Our special guest of honor today and Senior Minister Srimati Anandiben Patel, being more practical, she gave us the gift of land. Senior Minister Shri Nitin Bhai Patel, to whom we'll be going for funds when we need them, as he is the Finance Minister of Gujarat. My colleagues in service, Chief Secretary Shri Achal Kumar Jyoti and Indu Prasad Gautam, who have been a great source of strength in resolving the day-to-day problems which come up in a project like this. Hari Shankaran, who is the Vice Chair and Managing Director of IL&FS. IL&FS has three roles in this 50% equity partner. They are also the program managers for the GIFT project, and they are also the anchor investor in the development of this project. This has been an excellent business relationship where ILNFS makes the investment, takes all the risks and the blame, and gives credit to us. GIFT is a very large project. It is spread over 100 acres of land. Today you saw one tower. When the project is completed, there will be 100 such towers in the GIFT city. This is essentially a business project. So more than 60% of space will be commercial in nature. But because it is a full city, we'll also have residences, we'll have social infrastructure like a school, hospital, clubs, hotels, shopping, entertainment, golf, whatever makes a place worth living and worth working in. The project will generate direct employment of 500,000 people and indirect employment to another 500,000 people. This project has many unique features. This is a project which is driven by technology. Some of you saw the demonstration of that technology demonstration in the GIFT Experience Zone. I request others to go and see that after this function is over. All the buildings and the entire city will be run on the latest, most modern state-of-the-art technology platform. Another unique feature of this project is that no building will have individual air conditioning. The whole city will be air conditioned by what is known as a district cooling system, which is for the first time being done for a facility of this size in this country. This is a green city. All the buildings in this city will be environment friendly and will have energy saving facilities. Today, we have put mineral water bottles, but after 6 months, we will not allow any plastic bottles, water to come into the city. We guarantee all our investors that the water quality in this city will be so good that you will be able to drink tap water. It's a zero discharge city. No effluent from this city will go outside. We'll have an ultra-modern garbage disposal system where chutes will be provided not only in buildings and residences, but also at street level, and through high-pressure vacuum, all the garbage will be evacuated to a central facility and eventually incinerated. The city will also have an intelligent transportation system. There will be 3 metro stations. The BRTS will also come to the city, and the entire transportation system, which will be ICT controlled, has been designed in such a way that there are maximum spaces for people to walk and there will be no place where they'll have to cross a street with oncoming traffic. Either crossings will be underground or above ground. This is another unique feature of this city. This project is a shining example of public-private partnership. India will have 50% of its population living in cities by the year 2050. Gujarat will achieve this milestone much earlier, maybe by 2030. The country will have to build at least 100 new cities to accommodate growing urbanization, which involves enormous investment from public exchequer. GIFT is a unique example where a city is built in public-private partnership, where government makes land available and the rest of investment, both in infrastructure and in the real estate, is done through private investment. If the country has to meet the growing requirement of urbanization, then perhaps this is the model which the country needs to follow. Sir, the GIFT project has been making waves internationally. And recently, in the Infrastructure Investment Awards 2012, given by World Finance Group London, the GIFT project was adjudged as the best project in the category of Best Industrial Development and Expansion. Sir, I will read 4 lines from the press release which World Finance Group London issued. And this sums up the essence of GIFT. I read, GIFT project was considered of world-class value by the judging panel and an important global benchmark, not only in terms of its infrastructure, scope, size and complexity, but also in terms of its potential for enabling economic growth in the region. Through the relocation and centralization of India's financial and IT sectors, and in providing the turnkey location for global financial and IT firms. Sir, a project like this can never be done without full support of government. I want to take this opportunity not only to thank you, but the entire cabinet, all officers, and all people working in different departments and different places who have been extremely helpful in making this vision a reality. Government has done some unique things. One of them is that they have notified GIFT as a notified area under the Constitution of India, which means that GIFT will be its own local authority. All approvals, whether it is building plan or provision of utilities, giving of completion certificate, everything will be done within GIFT. The entire building code has been rewritten by the state government to facilitate such high-rise constructions. We have also been made as the distributing agency for power. Many, many things have been done. I can go on. But what I want to emphasize is that yes, there has been unstinting support for this project. But what I am most grateful about is that, sir, you put our faith in this project. It's an extremely difficult and complex operation, and at least I know that Harishankaran and ILNFS have taken tremendous financial risk to make this project a reality. I also have 40 years of public service, and frankly, I didn't want to end it on a note of failure. And both Hari and I, we have always worked with that confidence that behind us, અમને નરેન્દ્રભાઈનું પીઠબળ છે. And sir, without that trust which you have given us, this project could not have been done. So today, I feel extremely proud. We have waited a long time for this day, but it has finally come. And I feel extremely proud to welcome all of you to the inauguration of GIFT One Tower by the Honorable Chief Minister. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us gift. और ऐसे मौके पर कुछ यही पंक्तियां बिल्कुल सही बैठती हैं. मंजिलें उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. And that is what Gujarat and GIFT City is all about. We feel this is an extremely good occasion to note few more things into this project. We would request to exchange a few MOUs in the esteemed presence of the dignitaries on dais. May I please call on stage Mr. R.K. Jha to exchange MOUs with our partners for the help in taking this project a little more ahead. Mr. R.K. Jha, Director in Charge, GIFT City. The first MOU would be signed between Narsimhoji Educational Trust, Jamnabai Narsi School for development of school. May I please call on stage trustee from Narsimhoji Educational Trust, Mr. Sujay Thakur, to kindly come up and exchange the MOU with Mr. R.K. Jha. And ladies and gentlemen, this would happen in the esteemed presence of the Ministers of Cabinet, you all, and our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thank you, Mr. Thakur. I would now like to invite on stage from New Gen Holdings Private Limited, Mr. Bhagwan Das Khurana, to exchange the MOU to develop and operate ICT in GIFT City project. Please put up a huge round of applause and welcome Mr. Bhagwan Das Khurana. Welcome, sir. Thank you, Mr. Khurana. We are glad to have your association. Next, I would like to call on stage from the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, Mr. Kaushik Banerjee, Additional Secretary, to exchange the MOU to develop Center of Excellence at GIFT City. Please put up a huge round of applause and welcome Mr. Kaushik Banerjee. Thank you, Mr. Banerjee. I would now like to invite Mr. Dilip Lakhani from Lakhani and Company to kindly come up and exchange the MOU with Shri Ram Palse, CEO ITUAL, and the MOU would be to take a space in the newly developed Gift One Tower. Mr. Ram Walse to exchange the MOU with Mr. Dilip Lakhani. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And now, the much awaited time to give an ear to the man himself, the man and the government who has supported this visionary project of Gift City. Please put your hands together as we welcome on dais, on podium, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Everyone.
मंच पर उपस्थित मंत्रिपरिषद के सभी साथी, गिफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जुड़े हुए सभी महानुभाव, भाई और बहनों, मैं नहीं जानता हूं कि एक गिफ्ट सिटी प्रोजेक्ट की पूरी कल्पना हम लोगों तक पहुंचा पाए हैं। कुछ लोगों को ये सबसे बड़ा ऊंचा टावर दिखाई देता है, कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि ये प्रॉपर्टी डेवलपर का कोई काम लग रहा है। तो अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग नजरिए से उसको देख रहे हैं। लेकिन जैसे जैसे लोग उसमें रुचि लेंगे, उसकी गहराई में जाने का प्रयास करेंगे, तो उनको एक विश्वास होगा कि हम बदलते हुए इस विश्व में और विशेषकर फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड में सर्विस सेक्टर की एक नई ऊंचाइयों को छूने जा रहे हैं। और न सिर्फ हम छूने जा रहे हैं, हम पूरे विश्व के लिए फाइनेंशियल सर्विस, टेक्नोलॉजिकल सिक्योरिटी, रियल टाइम ऑपरेशंस, मल्टीपल एक्टिविटीज, इन सारी बातों को एक साथ हम कैसे जोड़ सकते हैं, डिलीवर कर सकते हैं, इसका एक उत्तम उदाहरण एक गिफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट है। आप लोग इस उद्घाटन समारोह के बाद गिफ्ट सिटी देखने जरूर जाएंगे और वहां नीचे के फ्लोर पर ही एक साथ कितने प्रकार की टेक्नोलॉजिकल सर्विसेज अवेलेबल होगी, उसका वर्चुअल डेमो आपके लिए रखा है। मित्रों, हमारे गुजरातियों के मूलभूत जो विशेषताएं हैं, उन विशेषताओं का उपयोग हम विश्व के विकास की दुनिया में अपनी जगह बनाने के लिए कैसे कर सकते हैं। बाय एंड लार्ज गुजराती के स्वभाव में कॉमर्स है, गुजरात के रगों में फाइनेंस दौड़ता है, गुजरात के लोगों की उंगलियों पर अकाउंट रहता है, ये हमें विरासत में मिला हुआ है। हमारी जो एंटरप्रेन्योर क्वालिटीज हैं, उसके 3 महत्वपूर्ण अंग ये हैं। अगर ये हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है, तो इस स्ट्रेंथ को मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ जोड़ करके एक नए सर्विस सेक्टर को हम ऑक्यूपाई कर सकते हैं क्या? इस मूल विचार में से इस गिफ्ट सिटी की ओर हम आगे बढ़े। गुजरात के नौजवानों के लिए जो टेक्नोलॉजी में साउंड है, उनके लिए भी स्कोप है। जो अकाउंट में साउंड है, उनके लिए भी स्कोप है। जो कॉमर्स एंड फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड से जुड़े हैं, उनके लिए भी स्कोप है। लेकिन दुनिया के साथ जुड़ने का, दुनिया के प्रति पल के व्यापार के साथ जुड़ने का, दुनिया के प्रति पल, ईच एंड एवरी सेकेंड का जो बैंकिंग सेक्टर है, उसके साथ सीधे सीधा जुड़ना, ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट होने वाला है। ये सिर्फ इमारत नहीं है, इसके अंदर कोई करेंसी नहीं होगी, लेकिन इस इमारत में विश्व के अरबों खरबों रुपयों का व्यापार चलता होगा, कंप्यूटर पर उंगली दबा दबा करके। एक बैंक होती है, उसको भी एक लॉकर की जरूरत पड़ती है, उसको भी एक सेफ डिपॉजिट वॉल्ट रखना पड़ता है। ये ऐसी जगह है कि जहां पर टेक्निकल सिक्योरिटी के कारण वहां कुछ न होते हुए भी विश्व को सुरक्षा देने का प्रयास इस धरती पर से होने की संभावना पड़ी हुई है। और इसलिए इन नौजवानों के लिए रोजगार की दृष्टि से एक सबसे बड़ा अवकाश है। कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि जहां सरस्वती होती है, वहां लक्ष्मी नहीं होती है, जहां लक्ष्मी होती है, वहां सरस्वती नहीं होती है। ये प्रोजेक्ट ऐसा है जिसमें सरस्वती और लक्ष्मी दोनों साथ साथ चल रहे हैं। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का, आईसीटी का इतना उत्तम इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल शायद ही हमें कहीं नजर आएगा, जो आज हम प्रोवाइड करने जा रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ एक लंबी सोच के साथ काम भी कर रहे हैं। जैसे आपने देखा होगा, एक एमओयू किस चीज के लिए हुआ? तो गिफ्ट सिटी जब डेवलप होगा, जो यहां लोग काम करेंगे, उनके बच्चों के लिए प्राइमरी स्कूल का काम कौन करेगा, उसका एमओयू आज हुआ। यानी यहां जो रहने वाले लोग हैं, जो यहां काम करने वाले लोग हैं, उनके फ्यूचर की चिंता भी इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा है। मित्रों, आज ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी की बड़ी बात हो रही है, एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली डेवलपमेंट की बात हो रही है। पूरे गिफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट में उसको प्राथमिकता दी गई है और एक पूरा शहर एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली शहर हो, प्राकृतिक संसाधनों की रक्षा भी हो और सर्वाधिक उसका उपयोग भी हो, उन बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए इसकी रचना की गई है। मित्र, इसके कारण एक और भी बात होनी है कि सामान्य रूप से गुजरात के व्यापार जगत से जुड़े हुए जो लोग हैं, जब इतनी बड़ी फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटी का हब आपके यहां क्रिएट होता है तो वो सिर्फ उस बिल्डिंग तक सीमित नहीं रहता है, उसका प्रभाव क्षेत्र पूरे राज्य में तुरंत फैलने लगता है और धीरे धीरे फिर वो देश और दुनिया में उसका लाभ पहुंचता है। और एक प्रकार से हमारे इस आर्थिक गतिविधियों के साथ जुड़ी जितनी भी प्रकार की व्यवस्थाएं, इवन हमारा कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर, इवन हमारा अमूल, ये जितने ऑर्गेनाइज व्यवस्थाएं हैं उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी सेवा का ये केंद्र बन सकता है। और हम चाहेंगे कि हमारे गुजरात की ऐसी छोटी मोटी जितनी इकाइयां हैं उनको ये वर्ल्ड क्लास फैसिलिटी कैसे उपलब्ध हो, उनको भी सारी व्यवस्था से कैसे जोड़ा जाए, उनके भी सारे ट्रांजैक्शन, सारी व्यवस्थाएं, उनको इस प्रकार की टेक्नोलॉजी का सर्वाधिक लाभ कैसे मिले। ये सिर्फ दुनिया की टॉप मोस्ट बैंकिंग को मिले ऐसा नहीं, हमारे यहां ऑर्गेनाइज वे में काम करने वाली जितनी भी इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं वो भी इसकी बेनिफिशियरी कैसे हो। और एक प्रकार से हम हमारे कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करना चाहते हैं ताकि हमारे गुजरात के किसी भी कोने का व्यक्ति विश्व के अंदर चल रहे प्रभावों के साथ अपने आप कदम मिला सके, वो दुनिया के साथ जुड़ सके, वो प्रगति का हिस्सा बन सके और उसके लाभ गुजरात की धरती को मिले, गुजरात की नई पीढ़ी को मिले, इसलिए हम प्रयासरत हैं। भाई बहनों, दुनिया बदलती जा रही है, नए नगरों की रचना ये पूरे विश्व में आज स्वीकृत बात है, लेकिन नए नगरों के भी फोकस एरिया तय हो रहे हैं। कहीं स्पोर्ट सिटी लोग बना रहे हैं, कहीं मेडी सिटी बना रहे हैं, कहीं एंटरटेनमेंट जोन बन रहे हैं। पूरे विश्व में इस प्रकार का एक नए शहरों के निर्माण का एक नया विजन डेवलप हुआ है। ये गिफ्ट सिटी भी एक प्रकार से फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटी का फोकस एरिया वाला नगर बन रहा है। और इसकी निर्माण की रचना ही सिर्फ एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली ऐसा नहीं है, पूरी रचना वॉक टू वर्क, यानी कोई बाकी आवश्यकताएं नहीं, सब कुछ व्यवस्थाएं अपने दाएं बाएं उपलब्ध हो, उसका इसमें ख्याल रखा गया है। और इसलिए भविष्य में भी इस सिटी में रहने वाले, इसके साथ जुड़े हुए जो भी नागरिक होंगे, उनको सारी सुविधाएं एक कदम दूरी पर उपलब्ध हो, उस प्रकार की उसकी रचना है। भविष्य में जो शहरों के निर्माण होने वाले हैं उनका फोकस एरिया जरूरी नहीं कि फाइनेंशियल हो, किसी भी प्रकार का फोकस एरिया होगा तो भी उनके लिए ये गिफ्ट सिटी का प्रोजेक्ट एक मॉडल के रूप में काम आने वाला है। और गिफ्ट सिटी में जिस बेंचमार्क को हमने छूने की कोशिश की है, उसके कारण गुजरात में और हिंदुस्तान में अब जितने भी नए निर्माण की दिशा में कदम उठाए जाएंगे तो रेफरेंस के रूप में गिफ्ट सिटी को लिया जाएगा और हर कोशिश करेगा कि भाई उससे अच्छा करना है। गिफ्ट में ये है, हम इसको और अच्छा कर सकते हैं। तो एक प्रकार से गिफ्ट सिटी वो एक कैटलिक एजेंट का रोल करेगा जो आधुनिक शहरों के निर्माण के लिए बहुत बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन बन सकता है, बहुत बड़ी प्रेरणा बन सकता है। और उस दिशा में काम करने का हम लोगों का मकसद रहा है। मित्रों, मुझे खुशी की बात है, बहुत कम लोग इस बात को ध्यान में लिया होगा, इतना बड़ा काम शायद मुश्किल से 14 मंथ में हुआ, 14 महीने में काम हुआ है। टेक्नोलॉजी कितनी बदल गई है, इस टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करके हम कितना तेजी से आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। कभी कभी हम चीजों का एनालिसिस करते हैं तो आज से 30 साल पहले कैसे काम होते उसके आधार पर करते हैं। अब पूरी दुनिया, सारी टेक्नोलॉजी बदल चुकी है। पहले कैनाल की खुदाई करते थे तो सालों लग जाते थे। 2 इंच की पाइप भी एक नगर पालिका में डालनी होती थी तो 4-4 साल तक गड्ढे रहते थे, वो जमाना था। अब टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी बदल गई है, कंस्ट्रक्शन की दुनिया में इतनी अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी आई है, उन सबका उपयोग करने का प्रयास और बड़ी सफलतापूर्वक प्रयास इस गिफ्ट सिटी में किया है। और उसका परिणाम है कि सिर्फ 14 महीने में इतना बड़ा काम आपके सामने आज मौजूद है। दूसरा टावर भी बनने पर तैयारी में है, वो भी शायद 2-4-6 महीने में कार्यरत हो जाएगा। और बहुत ही जल्द सर्विसेज शुरू करने का काम गिफ्ट सिटी के माध्यम से शुरू होगा। दुनिया के कई देश आज ही गिफ्ट सिटी के साथ जुड़ गए हैं। दुनिया के बैंकिंग सेक्टर के कई यूनिट ऑलरेडी गिफ्ट सिटी के साथ जुड़ चुके हैं। और इस अर्थ में गुजरात ने फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड के अंदर अपनी जगह बनाना शुरू कर दिया है। और जितनी उत्तम सेवाएं हम देंगे, जितना सिक्योरिटी का एश्योरेंस मिलेगा, जितना रियल टाइम ऑपरेशंस होंगे और जितनी एफिशिएंसी का लेवल ऊंचा होगा, हम धीरे धीरे हमारी क्रेडिबिलिटी बढ़ाते जाएंगे। और मित्रों, ये टैलेंट हमारे नौजवानों में है। अगर उनको अवसर मिले, उनको प्रॉपर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मिले, तो मैं नहीं मानता हूं कि हमारे देश के नौजवान कहीं पर भी पीछे रह सकते हैं। और उस अर्थ में हम जगह बनाएंगे, मेरा पूरा विश्वास है। मित्र, मैं बहुत आशावादी हूं। एक गिफ्ट सिटी के कारण एक बहुत बड़े बदलाव की संभावनाएं मैं देख रहा हूं। वाइब्रेंट गुजरात ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर समिट के इस समय में ही एक गिफ्ट सिटी प्रोजेक्ट का लोकार्पण का अवसर आया। और ये वाइब्रेंट समिट में इतने इवेंट हो रहे हैं और एक से बढ़कर एक इवेंट हो रहा है। यही चीजें अगर साल भर उसको स्प्रेड आउट करके की होती तो शायद लोगों का आश्चर्य हो जाता कि भाई हर हफ्ते इतनी सारी चीजें हो रही है। एक ही हफ्ते में इतनी सारी चीजों का निर्माण करने का सामर्थ्य गुड गवर्नेंस की नई ऊंचाइयों को दर्शाता है। और मुझे इस बात का संतोष है कि प्रो पीपल प्रोएक्टिव गुड गवर्नेंस ये किस प्रकार से परिवर्तन ला सकता है, इसका उत्तम उदाहरण गुजरात ने प्रस्तुत किया है। मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जुड़े हुए सभी महानुभावों को बधाई देता हूं, शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और मुझे विश्वास है कि आप इसको देख करके कानों कान इसके सामर्थ्य का परिचय विश्व को कराएंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू हियर फ्रॉम यू। और सही कहा कि असली शक्ति खुद के पास रखने में नहीं लेकिन दूसरों को देने में है। The true power lies not in keeping with you but to giving it to others। और बेशक गुजरात हर तरह और हर तरीके से नए मापदंड देश और दुनिया के लिए बनाता हुआ, और आज गिफ्ट सिटी के लोकार्पण और अनावरण पे हम मौजूद। अब मैं अनुरोध करूंगा वाइस चेयरमैन एंड एमडी ILNFS श्री हरिशंकरन जी को कि वे मंच पर आएं और आप सभी को उद्बोधित करें and present his vote of thanks। And let me tell you, Mr. Harishankaran has been instrumental in visualizing, conceptualizing and implementing this project। Mr. Shankaran।
Thank you. Good afternoon. Honorable Chief Minister, dignitaries in the dais, friends. It gives me great pleasure, it's a great privilege to give this vote of thanks. As Mr. Mankad said, we worked very hard for many years to bring GIFT here. It's a very tough task. I've gone to the Chief Minister several times. In 2008, when the world collapsed, I faced a complete disaster in GIFT. And I would go to him and say to him that we're having real challenges. And he would say, keep your eyes on the path and keep moving ahead. This is a state that does not fail. This is a country that does not fail. It is the vision and inspiration of moving a state from a manufacturing and agriculture and sectoral driver to including services, and that too financial services, that was simply breathtaking in its vision. And it was a challenge which many, many people have now put their shoulders to the wheel to achieve. And so this vote of thanks begins with the Chief Minister. And as Sudhir Bhai has rightly said, the Cabinet and the bureaucrats and the administration of Gujarat and the government of Gujarat's unstinting support to the efforts of making GIFT happen. It's an incredibly complex challenge. It brings across very many disciplines to work together seamlessly. In banking, in financial services, in market operations, a large number of different skill sets have to work in real time together instantaneously in order to ensure that investors and markets work efficiently. This is a historic challenge. To do this as a green field is just a stupendous, it's like trying to climb Mount Everest every day for 365 days a year, non-stop. To give you a sense of the challenge, it's like trying to climb Mount Everest 365 days a year, every single day. So let me begin by after thanking the government and the Honorable Chief Minister, also thanking my colleagues in IL&FS, thanking the personnel in GIFT, thanking L&T for doing a fantastic job in building this building. 14 months is a record. I've often heard when I go to China how quickly and efficiently they build infrastructure in China. In the last 3 months, I've been telling my Chinese friends, please come to Gujarat. There's a small place called GIFT that's being built. We will beat you in China. And I'm extremely proud to say that the standards we achieved in GIFT 1 is on par with the world's best. You are going to see something like 250 different kinds of constructions in GIFT over the next few years. The tallest building in GIFT will be 420 meters, 4 times the height of this building. The shortest will be the MOU we signed today, a primary school. The vision of GIFT starts on ground. It reaches the sky. And that is really what I would like to thank you all for coming for this evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And that brings us to the end of this lovely event and the formal inauguration and unveiling of GIFT City GIFT 1. And we invite everyone to kindly visit and experience GIFT 1 at GIFT City. Thank you, sir. Thank you, members of the ministry. Thank you, Mr. Chief Minister. And we would also like to thank all the vibrant future cities dignitaries for their presence in the inaugural function. We would also, on behalf of the WeFC Organizing Committee and other stakeholders, like to invite the officials of GIFT City and their respected guests to the WeFC Conclave, which is scheduled at Town Hall, Gandhinagar, starting 12:30 p.m. onwards. Thank you very much and have a good day. Jai Gujarat, Jai Bharat. Thank you.